Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a red color thread, roll it over the needle like this. Now, after rolling it for so many times, at the end, we'll be pulling out the thread. So you can see we have made a knot-like shape. Now, again repeat the process. So here we are making the petals of the flowers, you can see. So keep rolling it and then you have to pull it like this. So you can see we are making the flower out of it. So how beautiful it's coming out. You can also make a butterfly out of it. So basically here we are making a butterfly only. So you can see we have made its wings, now complete its body. Now make its eyes and antenna like this and your butterfly is done. Next, take the scale. Now draw the lines. So you can see we have taken a jeans. Now cut it over the line like this. Now we have to draw the line again and then fold it like this. Now roll the jeans and then take the thread and the needle. Now fix it as shown in the video. Now after that you have to fix the threads like this in the V shape. So you can see we are putting the threads in the zigzag manner and it will get a beautiful running stitch on the back of it. So you can see how we are doing it. Put it one by one. Now after that we have to fix the threads like this. Now after fixing the thread and the needle, you can see we are putting the stitch. Now turn it and look how beautifully it got a running stitch on the downside and how neat it is. Next, take a torn cloth, draw a circle around it and mark the dots. Now, take the thread and the needle. Now, you have to put the stitches on the sides of it. So, you have to put the running stitch like this. So, you can see how we are doing it. Now, after putting the running stitch like this, we have to put the stitches carefully. Now, put the thread in the between of it like this. So, you can see how we are doing it. Now, keep fixing the threads and then we have to cover it all together over the socks like this. So, you can see how we are covering it and close it properly. Now after that, cover it and it's done. Next, we have to take the jeans and the thread. Now we have to put it like this. You can see how we have done it. Now close it on the other side and put it in the same manner. So here we are making the stars like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now keep putting the needle and the stars and fix it like this. Now after that, you have to put it like this. So you can see how we are covering the stars one by one with a little gap like this. So follow the steps very carefully and fix the threads. Now as you can see, we have to cover it and at the end you will get a beautiful snowflake out of it. So keep following these steps as shown in the video and repeat the process. Keep fixing it and your beautiful snowflake is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you can see we have taken a torn cloth. Now you can put these stitches on the sides of it like this. So you can put a running stitch over it so that it gets closed. So here we are putting a zigzag stitch. So you can see how we are putting it by making an X-like shape over it and then crossing it like this and covering it till the end. So you can see it's almost there and then at the end it's fixed. Now you can see we have to fix the cloth and it's done.
Thanks for watching our video.